It's your 8th chapter, Curves in Space. We already discussed in class equation of oscillating plane. What about a oscillating plane, normal plane, rectifying plane? So equation of oscillating plane is r minus r vector dot product b cap equals to 0. Equation of normal plane is r minus r dot product t cap equals to 0. Equation of rectifying plane r minus r dot product n cap equals to 0. There are three equations of oscillating plane, normal plane and the rectifying plane. Curvature is denoted by kappa, and the curvature is that there are two tangents and between their angle is del theta. So the curvature is defined by kappa, especially it's denoted by kappa, and the value of kappa is d theta by d. It's defined by d theta by ds, and the radius of curvature is denoted by rho, and the value of rho is 1 by kappa. In the same case, torsion is denoted by tau, and it's defined by tau d phi by ds, and the radius of torsion is 1 by tau, and it's denoted by sigma. Now see, it's your first example. For the curve x equals to 4a cos cube t and y equals to 4a sin cube t and z is equals to 3c cos 2t, then you have to find out the equation of principal normal. And with this results, equation of principal normal is r minus r dot t cap. So firstly, by these vectors x, y and z, by these values you have to find out t cap, and the t cap is dr. This is an x, y and z. So first you have to find out the r vector, and the value of r vector is xi plus yj plus zk, and the value of x is 4a cos cube t. Now substitute the value of x, 4a cos cube t, and the value of y is 4a sin cube t. And the value of z is 3c cos 2t. Okay, now you have to find out the value for the principal normal. You have to find out the value of, firstly you have to find out t cap, and the value of t cap you have to differentiate r with respect to t, and for the curvature you have to find out for the curvature and for the torsion, and for these values you have to differentiate it with respect to s. Now firstly you have to find out, see, the function of r. Value of r is this, and here the parameter is t. So you have to differentiate r with respect to t, and t is differentiating with respect to s. Differentiated dr over ds. Now differentiated, 4a is a constant, so as it is 3 cos square t, and the derivative of cos with respect to t is minus sin t, and t with respect to s is dt by ds. I plus 4a 3 sin square t, and the derivative of sin is cos t, and the derivative of t is dt by ds g, plus 3c differentiated with respect to t, so derivative of cos is minus sin 2t, and the derivative of 2t is 2 dt by ds. Now take dt by ds is common, so 4a, 4 into 3 is a 12a cos square t minus sin t I plus 12a sin square t cos t j minus 3c 6 sin 2t k cap and dt by ds. Minus 12a cos square t sin t I plus 12a sin square t cos t j minus here I am open it, sin 2t is 2 sin a cos a. So 12c sin t and cos t and k dt by ds. एंगल का हाफ किया इधर. नाउ टेक 12 and cos t sin t is common. You have minus a cos t I plus a sin t j and minus c k cap dt by ds. This is a t cap. Now you have to find out the value of dt by ds and again substitute it here. Okay, so t cap, now I am finding here t cap magnitude is that squaring, so and under root 144 cos square t sin square t and the coefficient of a is coefficient of I a square cos square t plus a square sin square t and plus c square into dt by ds whole square. Now solve it. T cap is a unit vector, so value of t cap magnitude is 1. Squaring both sides, then under root is removed. You have 1 equals to 144 cos square t and sin square t into a square from these two terms. I am taking a square is common and sin square plus cos square is 144 cos square t and sin square t a square plus c square dt by ds. now इसको उधर लेकर जाएंगे, so you have ds by dt. Okay, whole square equals to 144 cos square t and sin square t a square plus c square. Now remove square, dt by ds is 12 cos t sin t and under root a square plus c square. Now substitute the value of ds by dt here. So you have t cap equals to 12 sin t cos t minus a cos t I plus a sin t j minus c k and the value of t by ds reciprocate. So you have 1 by 12 sin t cos t and under root a square plus c square. कैंसिल हो जाएगी वैल्यू। तो आपके पास क्या आया, यू हैव माइनस ए कॉस टी आई प्लस ए साइन माइनस सी के कैप इंटू 1/a square plus c square. Now you have t cap. Again differentiate it with respect to t. This is an r vector dash. Now r vector double dash equals to derivative of cos t is a minus a sin t. So minus a sin t I minus plus a cos tj and differentiate it, so it's a 0 under root a square plus c square, and the derivative of t is dt by ds. Now substitute the value of dt by ds is and the value of dt by ds is 1/12 sin t cos t under root a square plus c square. Under root is 1. A sin t I plus a cos t j plus 0 k into 1/12 sin t and cos t a square plus c square. इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो तो आपके पास वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी, a साइन से साइन कैंसिल होगा, 1/cos इज अ सेकेंड टी आई प्लस a cosecant टी जे एंड प्लस 0 k इंटू 12 a square plus c square. Okay, and the equation of प्रिंसिपल नॉर्मल इज x माइनस एक्स लेते हैं हम वैल्यू को, इनटू आपके पास क्या आता है x माइनस एक्स एंड देयर डायरेक्शन रेशियोज. ये यू मे जनरली फाइंड इट बाय द x माइनस r डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ t कैप फैक्टर. Okay, and the coefficient of I is the direction ratios, coefficient of y j, because of principal normal is parallel to the vector r vector double dash. Okay, so x minus x direction ratios is a secant t and the value of x is x minus 4a cos cube t over a secant t into 1/12 a square plus c square equals to y minus 4a sin cube t over a cosecant t into 1/12 a square plus c square equals to z minus 3c cos 2t over 0. Okay, so x minus 4a cos cube t over secant t, y minus 4a sin cube t cosecant t and z minus 3c cos t over 0. Okay, now see, it's a second part is a equation of oscillating plane, and the equation of oscillating plane is x minus x, y minus y and z minus z, x dot, y dot and z dot, x double dot, y double dot and z double determine equals to 0. Value of x is 4a cos cube t y minus 4a sin cube t and z minus 3c cos 2t. X dash is differentiate it with respect to t and the value of is this minus 12a cos t square t and sin t minus 4a into 3 sin square t and the derivative of sin is cos minus 3c cos sin 2t into 2. Again differentiate it. And you can substitute these values from a r vector dash. Okay, so value of r vector dash is a cos t, because see you are taking, and from this equation you may take 12a cos t and sin t, 12 sin t and cos t from three sides, x dash, from x dash, y dash and z dash. So value is negative negative, this one is in a positive because derivative of cos is a minus sign. So you have a cos t minus a sin t and c. Now differentiate it again. So you have a value of cos t and you may substitute from this equation a secant t, a cosecant t and 0. So secant t, cosecant t and 0. This is an equation of oscillating plane. Okay, and the third part is that curvature. So value of kappa is t cap dash equals to kappa n cap, and the value of t cap dash is now substitute it a secant ti plus a cosecant tj plus 0 k cap 1 by 12 a square plus c square. Now magnitude is under root a square secant square t plus a square cosecant square t plus 0 square into 144 a square plus c square whole square. Kappa and cap is in unit vector, so magnitude is 1. So a square secant square t a 12 a square plus c square under root 1 by cos square t plus 1 by sin square t. A 12 a square plus c square Now take it LCM, then sine square plus cos square is 1, and in denominator 1 over sine square t and cos square t. It's your value of kappa, and the curvature is this. Okay.